Okay, I'm gonna try out this new battery here. Hopefully it works because it's high voltage. They're calling it LiHv. 15.2 volts is 6,000 milliamp. There's also one that costs more, and it's at 8,000 milliamp. Right now I'm gonna try this one out. Just like this adapter, I'm kind of rewriting the book, showing you. Here's an adapter. I make these, sell them on eBay. Goes right in there. Stick the this battery in, and you can notice that it locks in. To unlock it, push this button down, comes right out. Okay, got that covered. Plug it in. This is a XT90 connector. I can make these with different sizes, XT60 or a Dean's T-plug. I recommend, and I just list it as the XT90, but if you want to go to the website and get a different, or to eBay and get a different one, message me that you want the different size with your payment. There's a section to add a message. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and power this up. I've been waiting all winter. Now it's 50 degrees today and 6-mile-an-hour wind. So as soon as it's ready, we're going to go ahead and take off. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Alright, I had him pause it. Figured I better put a camera on here. Just in case, since this is the first try, I'm not putting an actual camera on here. Well, it is an actual camera, but it's pause. Alright guys, I just lost my cameraman. I'm gonna go ahead and take off and fly this thing. Alright, starts up. Alright guys, I'm just gonna not bore you with this whole how many minutes it takes in the air. Let's see, I got a clock right here on the 5, just turned 5:59. So go ahead and pause it now. Okay, so we started at 6:58 and it took to 6:59. Now it's 6:02, so we're really only on going on 5 minutes right now. And the battery's now 86%. So it'd be nice if I had some statistics on what 5 minutes, what a normal battery is at after that point, but that's where we're at now. I'll go ahead and pause it and we'll come back again. Okay, how stupid of me. The 85% I was talking about was the remote. Anyway, right now it's just took 6:05, so that's 7 minutes, and we're at 15.1 volts. So I don't know if the camera can get that on the remote. Oh, it's over here. I'll try and turn that a little. Let me touch this. There we go, 15.1 volts. And then here's the clock over here. 6:05. Like I said, it was 6:58 when we started. And I'm just kind of doing some light maneuvers. I guess that's not very scientific, but alright, well, we'll come back to you in a little bit. Sorry about that misinformation there. And I don't like editing the videos. I like to just pause and stop in between, so you'll be confused for a minute when you see that last part. Alright, wait till, alright, we're at the 10-minute mark. I'm going to slide this over and we're going to look at the, what's it say? Voltage, 14.6. And it's still up here flying. So everything seems to be good for 10 minutes. I mean, it'd be great to get like an hour. But we'll see what it is. I'll come back again. Alright, 14.5 volts. 13 minutes. Still flying up here. I'm going to take a minute to show you this car here. It's a 2015 Honda Civic. And my next project here, I'm going to take the motor out of this and put in an electric motor. And there's an adapter plate that'll go between that motor and a coupler. The adapter plate hooks the motor to the transmission, and then the coupler will hook the two shafts together. And then for the battery in the spare tire bay, I'm gonna be using lithium batteries, the circular kind. Well, basically just like the Tesla batteries. I'm gonna make a whole array of them, maybe 2,000 or 3,000 batteries arrayed in the spare tire bay. And there's a open source kit for making the power controller on it. And I'm assuming, since I'm going to go ahead and do this, I'm going to be the first one to make this car into electric with this model range from 2012 to 2015. Then I'm just going to go ahead and make a kit. All right, so if you're interested in turning your car into an electric car, then I'm going to be putting kits that sell the plate, the coupler, and then I'll have another kit that has all the electronics that you need to assemble your own voltage controller. The voltage controllers are like $2,000, and we'll be able to put those together ourselves for like $200 to $400. And anyway, let's see where we are on this drone flying up here. Still flying here. And we're at 14.3 volts. And that would be 15 minutes. Okay, we're at 14.1 volts. And the clock is at 16. So we're at 18 minutes. And drone's still up here flying. And I do notice that there's some lights blinking underneath the drone. Oh, and I just got the warning. Low, land immediately. So that gives us 18, probably at 18 and a half minutes. So could be that this is the first full flight of this battery. I don't know how these batteries work better on the second one or not, but this is usually the point where I land it. So I'm going to go ahead and it's been so long since I've used this. Should be an auto land button here. Oh, it's just doing it on its own. Alright. Oh, and it did. It clicked to 19 minutes there. I don't know if you can see the clock there. 6:17. We started out at 5:58. So there we go. Okay, that was our flight. 19 minutes. Not too bad considering this battery. This is 6,000, and there is an 8,000. I guess since this was successful. That's a little hard, for example. Okay, a little hard pulling this out. Okay, and then, like I said, push that, take it out. This is the battery. On the website, I can't think of what it's called. Juice.com. Anyway, I'll put it in the description of the website. They have a coupon where you can get 10% off. So put that coupon code in during checkout. So basically it's $79, and then it's going to take what, $8 off of that, so $72. And then the other ones I believe is like $20 more or $40 more, I can't remember. And but it's going to be 8,000 milliamp. So I'll go ahead and buy that next battery, and then we'll test that one out. But this is, I consider it successful. 19 minutes. I haven't flown this in a while, so I'm not sure if what the flight time is on these anymore. All right, thank you for watching, and subscribe, because I'm going to be putting in a new video for the electric car, and when that gets posted, you'll get an alert. Thanks for watching.